Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to stage 133 of building Ecto-1. In this issue, we're building, the modified marine radome antenna, and finishing off the admittedly bent framework. That'll be fine. That'll straighten up once I get it attached. And getting it attached is the first thing we're going to do. So I'll move all this to one side. We've got some decals to put on, some stickers. So let's move that over there. We need that for that, that for that, and this. And we need what we've been building all along. We need to fit these 3 bars and then fit the other side on. So what I'm going to do is get this bit built up. And then go and prep my decals. I need to get some hot water for them and stuff like that. So I'll get that ready for doing that in a moment. Now, notice this has got a couple of little cutout pieces on it, but we're not doing anything with that. We're putting these in the nice way round. So we've got the hero side at the top with the open bit underneath. So we've got one of them in there. One of them, both at the bottom on this one, are there and there. So we'll get that in there. I'll tighten all these up afterwards. That one in there. No, should have made sure that was in there before I put the screw in, I think. Don't know why I did it that way around, because that's not the way I've been doing all the others, and all the others have been working fine. So let's get that in there first. Then we can put it together. There we go. So that is there. Then this is going to go on the other side and basically tighten up the 3, 2 at the front, those 3, and then that one at the back, which should bend it back into shape. So let me do that and let me get the water ready for these, and we'll see about building this and attaching it. So I've got some warm water with the decals resting in that, making use of some of the packaging from the model. But while we're waiting for that, we might as well get some of this done. They're going to go around there. We've got a spare one in case we mess it up. So I don't need that for now, but we do need these white screws. 2 of those. Because they are going to hold our legs in place. And being that they're white, they'll blend in better. I won't say perfectly, but they'll blend in better. Like that. In there. So, yeah, make sure we don't slip on those, because that will get rid of all the white, which is half the point of doing it. There we go. That's that on there. I'll tighten that down again in a minute. And that one goes on the top. In there like that. With that one. There we go. And tightened up as well. So we've got that, which that's going to go onto the top. We do need some more screws to attach it to the frame. The frame itself has in fact gone together well. It's sort of curved itself to get in the right shape there. So no problem with that. They have already started to lift, as I can see that on there. So let's see about getting those onto there. One of those will just go onto there. Like that. Joins up. And just try and get that to be level. pretty much level. You're not going to notice if it isn't, and if it isn't, then it's still part of the world in that it doesn't matter. The other side, exactly the same. Easier to tell if that one's level or it's next to the lower part. Let's get that nudged in place just a little bit better. There we go. So I'll leave that to dry, dispose of that in a moment anyway. And that's going to go on there. So yeah, let that dry and make sure they're okay. I'll dispose of this, come back and fit it to that, and then attach that to our frame. And there we go. That's that on there. 2 lines, quite nice. So we're fitting the bottom onto that with 2 screws. 2 of the black screws, because it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter which way round it goes though, so let's double check to see if it tells me. It doesn't say. Great. So let's decide. This is going to go onto this corner like that. So that's going to go on there like that. I want that to be on the outside. So that's got to go on there that way round. So that's got to go on there that way round. Or thereabouts. Yes. Like that. One. Pretty much got to be lined up because it's only 2 going in round. But I'm still not wanting to nudge it too much because those lines might move. I should have left them longer, but you know, impatient. So that is that. That is that. And then we've got one of the white screws to hold it on there. Just like that. Easy as anything. A bit like that, but tighter. There we go. So the yellow bit is going to be on the outside there. And that's indeed the next bit, is fixing this onto there. So we've got... I've got to take that screw out of there. Shouldn't have put that screw in there yet, because that's where half of this attaches. Okay, so we'll take that off of there. That slot goes down into that groove there, and the screw goes through that and through that as well. So that locks that in place. Then we've got another white one to go through there. And that is it. There is another screw hole on the side there, but I'm assuming something else is going to attach to that as well. So yeah, that's going to fit on there, but something else is obviously going to attach through that. Some sort of plate across there, no doubt. So there we go. I've got one extra screw. Oh no, I haven't put that one in there yet. I've got one extra screw because I didn't need the one that I thought I was going to need, because I used the one that was already in there. So there we go. That's that. In there nice and secure as well. And it's coming along. Our roof rack is getting there. And that needs to be straight. Nice. Right, so I don't think we're building anything else on this quite yet. We're going to start with what I believe is the floor of this, but we're building something separate on it next time. So I shall see you for that very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.